Weather Service in Los Santos has issued a high wind watch, which is in effect from Wednesday night to Thursday afternoon.
This is the National Weather Service office in Los Santos. Attached to the NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm system is currently being conducted. The warning alarm codes on your NOAA Weather Radio's receiver has just been activated, affecting Flint, Los Santos, Reed, and Whetstone counties. Weather radio receivers are built to be automatically activated during weather emergencies to warn of impending hazards. Tests are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 12 noon, except if there is inclement weather occurring or is in a listening area. The SME codes can't be found on the internet on the NOAA Weather Radio page. For more information, visit our Los Santos National Weather Service website on Twitter or visit our office on the weekends from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Repeating, this was only a test.